My name is Shannon Scruten. I'm a registered vet tech with Norsask Veterinary Group. The vet tech's role is pretty much you're the lab tech, the x-ray tech, the dental hygienist, a nurse, all in one. For the most part, the day includes surgeries in the morning, so the vet tech will admit the surgery, we'll take our blood samples, calculate our drug doses, and sedate the dog. Then we'll place an IV catheter and put them under anesthesia, which we monitor for the vet. After that, we recover them, we do the patient files, and when we're all done surgery, then we'll usually start appointments. So we'll be helping the vet with blood work, collecting lab samples, looking at lab samples, taking x-rays. So my career journey, I actually joined the workforce after high school, and I ended up working in a pig barn as a farrowing technician. I decided I did want to work with animals, so I went back to school to be a vet tech. At that point, I worked in an emergency clinic for 5 years, and then I moved to Saskatoon and worked at the vet college for numerous years in anesthesia before landing here, back in general practice. So I went to school at Sask Polytech in Saskatoon. It was a 2-year program. So during our program, we had both practical and theory classes. We learn a lot about animal diseases and nursing care, and then we do part of it at the university, as well as doing practicums. I think to be a good vet tech, you need to be obviously caring and empathetic. You do have to like animals, but you also really have to want to learn and do the best you can for your patients, and it is constant learning to be better. So there are soft skills involved in being a tech. A lot of people think it is just about the pets and cuddling the pets, but there's a lot more than that. You have to work, obviously, the pets come with clients, and being able to communicate and do some client education with their owners, as well as its team. We have so many different aspects to keep the clinic running, and communication's a really important part of the job. For what I love about being a vet tech is I really like the hard medical cases. I like the hospitalized patients, doing the diagnostics to figure out what's going on, sending pets home after being hospitalized for numerous days. I also like emergencies. That's kind of an unpopular opinion. I like running fast to save a pet's life, and I like the science behind the different diagnoses. The job market in Saskatchewan is really good. As our population grows, so do the amount of pets. People also now are spending more money on pets as they're more like family, and techs are being utilized in ways that they never were before. The advice I'd pass on to someone who's looking at the vet world would be to spend a day in clinic, shadow a vet, shadow a tech, and kind of see which path you want to take, what one fits you. For extra research, just knowing if you're more the hands-on or if you do want to be the one making the decisions and doing surgery, figuring out, I guess, what a vet tech is and what they all do in a day. When you're trying to decide your career path, find out what you're passionate about, what you want to learn about, and how you want to spend your time, because it's a long time left to be working and you should really enjoy your job.